How to create a Sweatcoin account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once this has been opened, you have to tap on sign up with Google if you don't already have an account. Now on Sweatcoin, you can only register with your Google account, so make sure to create your Google account beforehand. Now from here, select the Google account with which you want to sign up. Tap on continue. Now tap on access physical activity. Then tap on allow. Here tap on enable Google Fit. Now Sweatcoins wants to access your Google account. Tap on allow. You can later change these settings as well if you want. Now if you want push notifications, tap on yes. Otherwise you can tap on no. Tap on allow. Now finally tap on allow step counting. Tap on allow here. And after this, your Sweatcoin account has been created, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.